Well, the whole idea behind the BTP Squad is actually to support our customers in their daily BTP projects. So we have BTP squads in specialized formats like AI squads for AI projects on BTP, extension squads to support you in your clean core strategy. We have workflow squads to support you in your cloud workflow. So basically the idea is, well, you have a group of people that know how to work together because they did it for quite some time, and they combine all the different expertises in themselves. So they have solution architecture know-how. They know how to handle BTP projects. They are Scrum Masters. They are UX consultants. They have cloud native knowledge on BTP. So they actually are ready for your projects to support you in scaling and actually support you in starting your BTP projects really, really fast. So the question how to start a project with a BTP squad actually is, okay, how big do you want to have it? So there's really small ones on the one spectrum where, okay, it's maybe you had a workflow starter beforehand. We created a small workflow for you and you need some smaller additional enhancements for that. So we can use a BTP squad to support you in those maybe 2 or 3 sprints to make your workflow ready. But there's also the other side of the spectrum where it's really multi-year big projects, multiple BTP squads at a customer side that actually support customers in their innovation strategy on top of BTP. So it's long-lasting projects, most of the time even products where, okay, our teams, our BTP squads support the customer in their daily BTP work. And also in a sense where we say, okay, you build it, you run it. So it's not only creating a product, creating a solution, it's actually also maintaining it and enhancing it. Well, I would say the main benefit of a BTP squad actually is, well, you get access to the absolute experts. And it's really not easy to find a BTP expert, a solution architect and UX designer who has worked with BTP, a cloud native developer who knows BTP on the one hand side and also the business system on the other side. So it's really a lot of expertise combined in those teams. That's a big, big benefit for our customers. The second one is actually, okay, it's not like pick and choose. It's those teams know how to work together. They work together for quite some time, and that makes them really, really fast because, okay, they know how to bring one task to the next person and actually solve a problem. And finally, the third one is it's the agile setup. So you can actually see those intermediate results. It's everything really in this agile way where you have sprints. We're working in 3-week sprints most of the time, where you have all those sprints assets, sprint review, sprint planning. You actually can see what you get, and this brings you in a situation where you can work together with the BTP squad as if it was really your own internal team. Well, there's actually not this one practical example of a BTP squad, because actually BTP squads are involved in all of our BTP related projects, which is basically all of them. So the one thing all of the projects have in common that our customers want to start really fast. They either want to start really fast in one specific aspect, so they make use of a specialized BTP squad like AI or workflow, or they want to start fast on BTP overall, where they say, okay, I need a well-established team that supports me in doing things on the BTP in the right way. And this is basically what the BTP squad can provide.